Morning, guys. How you doing? Beautiful day down here in Florida. All right. Let's see what we got going on here today. Stihl MS192TC. Remember, guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I don't try to teach you anything. I don't try to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough. And they want sound. Also gonna do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente. Alright, guys, so far, this is what we got going on. We got handling working. Well, we're gonna give it a shot. It looks like it's working. You have right here, flywheel, everything. I haven't checked the, let me see how the coil, ooh, that looks ugly. Oh, it's just dirty. Okay. Let me put my hand there. Alright, that will be good to start. It's missing the little I got out there, I don't have time. I bought so many machines. I'm working here like hell on the farm. I don't have time for everything, guys. I know you're gonna say, Robert, come on. I'm putting a lot of this, at least you have a lot there to pick and whatever. Alright, see what else we got going on here. Oh, look at that. Ooh. We're gonna throw a good picture there. Let me see if I can throw it up. Maybe I can have it. Boom. Alright, let's close that. Over here we have the remember, guys, I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because it's for parts. Alright, look at that. You can see there has like two little lines there, scratch. I don't know if it's that bad. Any idea, but inside I'm gonna throw better from the up. The up looks good. Okay, guys, the muffler is missing. In here it's missing the three spring. It looks like they start taking parts out of here. Who knows what happened to this baby? That's okay. We wanna find your home. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna check. Yeah, I know. Every time I do that, I got somebody say, "Oh my God, guy petting a machine like a dog. He has problems." Yeah, I know. Yeah, maybe I have problems. That's why I moved to a farm. Yeah, you can see that gas looks good, guys. Wow, not bad. Oh, it smells good too. That says a lot. I like that. When I see that, it gives me hope. It's a good machine. One hand. Eee. I got it. The oil, we don't need to check it. It's just oil. Alright, enough is enough. We're gonna hit it to see where we're at. Alright? I did a little invention here, like always. In the meantime, guys, if you cannot see it good, you let me know. I'm trying to make it better. All right, let me see if I move far away. It's better, yeah. I'm gonna move a little far away. Move the chop. Maybe that's a problem. No wrong. Just do it. All right, we're good there. Guys, I was gonna say I'm sorry. I'm in the middle of nowhere of the rip. I don't know how you say it, of the Rick. You know what I mean, like far away. And then there are drop-off boxes here. You know what I mean? Like you gotta go and you do the drop-off boxes. Maybe I'm gonna be late a day or two. I apologize. You know me, my record on shipping is good, but sorry. I'm gonna put it on the listing. I don't know, maybe they're gonna get better. Maybe I have to figure it out the days the FedEx comes, for example. The closest is a drop box is a FedEx. I'm gonna figure it out and let's see what start from there. If it's on days, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just sell those days like that when I make it and you guys can receive it on time. I'm gonna try the best for you, you know me. Alright, let's hit it. Enough talk, Roberto. And now it's too early. Let me see if I put this cookie up, you can see me better. Nah, I guess that's what it is for the moment. Alright, I'm gonna throw a little on the magic liquid. Let me see, it's not working. Boom, boom, boom. Let me take the air, goes here. Sorry about that. Alright, we got it. Yeah, here's different than over there. Oh my God, I didn't put a spark plug. Come on, guys, if you don't tell me. Alright, this is a spark plug. They came with it. It's gonna look good. Let's bring out the duct. Let me clean up the duct because today I just put a little roof Here, hell break loose yesterday. Everything got wet, and looks like today is gonna be the same. Beautiful day. All right. Yeah, I'm praying for the rain because I have a big pond here with staying with my friend, and we need that for the tilapias. All right, guys, let's hit it. You see here we're good. I don't know if it's on. The ice in the middle. All right, let's see where we at. Let's see if I get it here. You guys can see. Yeah, you can see. All right, I gotta put this on here. That's a problem with these little ones. They're always doing that. If you don't put all the screws, they're trying to be funny. We don't got time for it. You got it. Let's hit it again. Alright. We got a spark plug. We'll put a little more just in case. I don't think I put. Maybe I didn't even put. Alright. Alright, so far it looks like we have a problem with the coil. Yeah, now I need to put I got the electric thing for the coils. I don't know if it's a coil, maybe it's wet inside. I put too much everything right here. They all got wet yesterday. Let's see. I don't think it's gas, guys. I think it's a coil. Oh, look at that. Hey, look at you. Showing off and everything. And then I like that. You know, she come out with, this is pop plug in weird. I don't think it's good. That's a mess. Alright, it's okay. Calm down. We'll find you home. If you keep acting like that, girl, you're doing good. Right, let me see if that little. Oh, she's crying. What happened? Oh, you weren't asleep for too long. Puppy rescue, huh? Oh, man. This is incredible. When I see them crying like that, I know you're going to tell me, Robert, what are you doing? The chickens too, now the machines, a farm. Okay, we'll get it. Hurry up. All right, so far we know the handle works, coil works, flywheel works. Guys, that's all for parts. This is a damaged equipment. This is a broken machine. If you're trying to fix it, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because it's damaged. I was waiting for a chicken to come and look at me. All right, guys, you have it here. Hola, mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Mira, anda a poner huevo la cabrona esa seguro ahorita ahí. Cuéntenme, ustedes que saben más que yo. Ahí mismo lo va a tirar. Bueno, mi gente, ya saben, discúlpenme que puede ser que se me demore unos días o dos donde estoy con decirle no hay corriente y no hay corriente, a ver si me explico. Y lo que hay son drop boxes esas que uno la suelta y después viene a buscar la flex. El lío es que siempre hay 2 o 3 días de discrepancia. Discúlpenme, estoy tratando de mejorar eso en caso que reciban algo un poquito tarde. Ya saben, si es por el correo, no, porque el correo es más serio, ¿no? Y entonces, pero bueno, ya por lo menos saben que la ladera funciona, la mariposa funciona y la bobina funciona. De ahí para allá recuérdense que yo vendo para partes. Si usted piensa arreglar esta máquina, está cometiendo un error. ¿Por qué? Porque es una máquina que está rota. Yo vendo para partes. Aquí ya le enseñé todo para no hacer el video tan largo, que tengo tantas máquinas. Tengo mucho que poner. Voy a tratar lo que puedo. De esta he puesto bastante. Voy a poner de todo un poco, pero no se preocupen. Sigan mi canal, que por lo menos máquinas sin su preocupación van a venir bastante. Gracias a mi gente que se une a la raza.